I am getting a new gadget, Hamilton Beach Glass Kettle. I'm going to show you how to use it. And this gadget is really cool for boiling water. This is the actual bucket that's inside the package. It holds maximum of 1.7 liter worth of water. So this thing's cordless. So all you have to do is plug the base to an electrical outlet and put this bucket on. Remember to turn on the activation button and you will see a blue light. And the water is going to be ready in few minutes. Now it is after 5 minutes and the water is boiling. Let's see if it knows how to auto shut off. So remember only to fill the water up to 1.7 liter, the maximum line, because when the water boiling, it's gonna overfill. Now it's auto shut off. Isn't that nice? I am getting a new gadget, Hamilton Beach Glass Kettle. I'm going to show you how